Hello, this is KTV meteorologist Todd Yakoubian. Hope you're having a great Friday so far, and I'm going to update you right now about the situation that everybody's talking about coming up this afternoon, especially this evening across Arkansas. And then in a blog post this afternoon, late this morning to the afternoon, I'm going to have a situation here that we've been following for quite some time for next week. And if you watch my videos, I was always questioning the strength of next week, and I'm going to explain to you in a blog post my thoughts on how this is going to play out, how I don't think this is going to be a major system, but one nevertheless. But first, let's talk about tonight. And you can already see the returns. Again, this is radar late in the morning. You can already see some returns out here in Texas, and this is what's heading our way for later in the day. Now, we're going to go with, I like to use this. This is high-resolution simulated radar. And you've heard me talk about the HRRR, RRRRRR, the pirate model. There's just 3 R's. Again, HRRR. Anyway, so you can see the blue line is the 32-degree line. And if you were watching my post yesterday, my video blog, I thought that the NAM moved the 32-degree line way too far to the north. And look at this. I'm not trying to pat myself on the back, but I'm just showing you this cold Arctic air means business. It ain't moving. Moisture return from the Gulf. You can see this disturbance coming through. And that's fast moving. But the thing is that their snowfall ratios with this are quite high. Normally you see a 6 or 10 to 1 ratio. And what that means is that's for every 1 inch of water, you get 10 inches of snow. Or for every 1 inch of water, you get 6 inches of snow. That's not going to happen here. But the snowfall ratios are high. And that just means that you get more fluffy snow here, and we could see an inch or two in some locations out of this. But the colder the temperature, usually the higher the ratio. But this is, let's just take it to 6 o'clock this evening. You can see this is some light snow in the gray, and then that's the bluish, some light to moderate snow. But it looks like there's a heavier band that we've been looking at that develops out here west central Arkansas and the streaks towards north central, northeast Arkansas. But this is, again, at 6 p.m., and then that moves across the state and during the overnight. And most of this is out of here. This is at 11 p.m. The back edge is starting to move through central Arkansas. So it's a very quick moving wave of moisture coming across the state. And it looks like southern Arkansas, you're going to get snow out of this. Woohoo! I know you're happy. How much? Don't get too excited. Southern Arkansas, the scale is just, in central Arkansas too, the scale is off the screen, but it's showing 1, maybe 2 in some isolated spots. But there's that corridor of those higher amounts, a very narrow corridor, I think, from Scott County up through Clinton, near Heber Springs, north and eastward. This area could get 1 to 2, maybe some isolated 3-inch amounts out of that. So, again, I'll have a new blog post on the Arkansas weather blog about next week's systems and what I think is going on here. We're not going to have some big old storm, which I've been very hesitant about, but I could be wrong. Only one person knows, as I say. So anyway, thank you very much for coming to my Facebook page. Love you guys. Have a great day.